Hey there, today I'll be making some votive candles using glitter. I'll be using a Yaley Enterprises votive candle mix, which includes a bin, a pound of paraffin wax, and 3 molds and wicks. Here we have our electric griddle set up with the pot of water and the wax melting in the container. Okay, our wax is here melting. We're going to wait till it's at about 190 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees. You do not want it to go over 250 degrees. It will become dangerous. So between 190 and 200 degrees, according to the directions given to us by Yaley Enterprises. Alright, today I'll be adding Gibbs Gold and Beach Glass Green to my melted wax. I'll add about a teaspoon of each. Alright, so I have my glitter in my wax. I'm going to stir it in, and then I'll be ready to pour. And I want to pour not quite to the top. Leave a little bit of room just almost to the top, and then once it cools a bit, we'll fill in that later. We'll be getting a little well at the top. And the glitter nice and thoroughly. And looks like it's settling a little bit, but maybe if I do it in stages like this. Okay, I'll let those cool for a while. I'm going to pour this one again. Hi, we're back. I'm going to finish pouring off the wax into the top of the votives. And just you just want to do it almost to the lip so that they pop out. And you do not want to overflow because that will make it harder to get them out later. Just to the lip. Okay. Alright, so we got our votives all filled up here. I'm going to do this one. And they look really glittery and sparkly, and I think that they're going to be beautiful when they pop out. Now these need to sit for about 5 hours. And if you have any trouble getting them out of the molds, you can pop them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Hey there! Today we're going to be popping our votive candles out. You just give it a little tug from the wick and hopefully it comes out really smooth. You don't want to overfill and make a lip that will keep it from doing so. Alright, and it turned out pretty beautifully. A lot of the glitter went to the bottom, but if you look really closely you can see it's interspersed pretty well throughout the candle, and it's a nice look. So we just cut the the wick off to about 1/4 of an inch, and then you're done. Except today we're going to add a little glitter to the edge. So first what you want to do is heat the sides up. Lightly with your heat gun, and then run it through a pile of glitter. So I'm going to heat this up a little bit more. And I put wax paper or contact paper down so that the wax doesn't stick to any paper. Okay, very nice. It's very pretty, very even, but it needs to be fused on with the glitter, with the, excuse me, the heat gun. So just from a distance and keep moving so you don't blow your glitter off. And it will switch really fast, so it's a pretty quick fuse. You just want it to sink in. And if it doesn't come out well on the first coat, you can always do a second coat. Okay, looks pretty good. There's our glitter votive candle. Next one I'm going to do is with a little bit of a decal. I cut out some contact paper and I'll be putting it on the sides. This votive candle I've applied a contact paper decal to. I don't know if you can quite see it, but I'll be running it through the glitter with the decal, and hopefully it will keep it from sticking. And I'll heat it up first. Run it through the glitter. Then I'm going to fuse it again. And then I will peel off the decal. Alright, that turned out pretty sweet.